everyone, are you saying you can't use this feature right now on Facebook? Don't worry, this usually happens due to security check or temporary limits. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Wait and try again. First, don't panic. Facebook sometimes block action for a few hours if it detects unusual activity. Wait for some time, then try again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Step 3. Log out or log back in. Now go to Facebook. In Facebook settings, log out of your accounts and log back in. This refreshes your session and can fix the issue. Step 4. Clear app cache. Android. If you're using Android, go to settings, apps, Facebook, storage and cache, tap clear cache. Step 5. Avoid too many actions. If you like, commented or followed too many things quickly, Facebook may block you. So slow down and avoid repeated actions. Step 6. Update or use browser. Update the Facebook. Now go to Play Store. Update the Facebook app. Or try using Facebook in a browser like Chrome. Final tip, if nothing works, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, Facebook removes the restrictions automatically. And that's it. These steps should fix the you can't use these features right now problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy teach tips.